Is your Shortcuts app crashing on your iPhone? It can be annoying, especially if you use it to automate tasks. This can happen due to low storage, software bugs, or a corrupted file app. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Solution 1. Free up storage space. Check available storage. For that, open Settings. Tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Look at the available space. If your storage is nearly full, it could cause apps like Shortcuts to crash. To free up space, delete unnecessary apps, old photos, or large files. After clearing the space, reopen the Shortcuts app to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Restart the Shortcuts app. Open the app switcher by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Locate the Shortcuts app and swipe it up to force close it. Reopen the app after a few seconds to check if the issue persists. Restart your iPhone to give it a fresh start. Solution 3. Offload the Shortcuts app to clear corrupted data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General, tap iPhone Storage and find Shortcuts in the list of apps. Tap Offload App. This clears the app's cache and data without deleting the app itself. Tap Reinstall App to reinstall a fresh version of the app. Solution 4. Update iOS. Go to Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update to check if there's a newer iOS version available. Download and install any available updates. After updating, open the Shortcuts app to see if the crashing issue is resolved. Older iOS versions can often have bugs that cause apps to crash. Solution 5. Disable Low Power Mode. Open Settings. Tap Battery. If low power mode is enabled, turn it off. Low power mode can restrict certain background processes which might be causing the Shortcuts app to crash. Solution 6. Re-enable Background App Refresh. Go to Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Background App Refresh and ensure it's turned on for Shortcuts. Background App Refresh allows the app to run smoothly even when it's not actively being used. Solution 7. Delete and reinstall the Shortcuts app. Press and hold the Shortcuts app icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, then tap Delete App to completely remove the app from your device. Go to the App Store, search for Shortcuts and reinstall it. Reinstalling ensures you're running the latest bug-free version of the app. These steps should help you fix the Shortcuts app crashing issue on your iPhone. Free up storage, keep your iOS updated, and check for any conflicting automations. If the problem continues, reach out to Apple support for help.